we have connected the diagnosis. So we first thing we check for fault codes, read fault codes. Okay, no fault codes present. I think you're able to see that. So now we have connected everything, the table there. So we get back, then we go on activations. In the activations we go on open table. Let me say okay. So when I click on open, you take note of this one, how the lever on the turbo charger is going to react. So I'm clicking on open. Oh, you have seen how it is moving. Yeah, so if I can get back there, then I go on a motor leveling. So I'll click on 1. Okay, it has gone back. Then I can also start increasing bit by bit. You have seen, so it is on that percentage. I can also reduce there.